my name is Mina and I do art and art history. My favourite art history topic is modernism, but I also do like the Renaissance. This is a fragment of textile from the second half of the 16th century, which is probably from the Ottoman Empire, but it's quite hard to tell as the motifs are quite similar to some textiles from the Renaissance. So this fragment of textiles is made from silk, metal wrap thread, cotton, voided velvet, and it's brocaded together. The textiles are highly prized in Europe, both because of the high quality of materials, but also because of the patterns that we used. We think we know it's Ottoman because the motifs that we used of artichokes and the feathery leaves around them were typically used by Ottoman ceramicists and weavers. While these textiles were used in the Ottoman Empire for cushions and furnishings, in Europe they used it differently for ceremonial costumes. We could see them in Mantegna's painting of the Magi.
This is a woodcut press print of a rhinoceros made in 1515 by Albrecht Dürer, and it would have been made of a rhinoceros that was gifted to the King of Portugal, and then he gifted it to Pope Leo X. So it travelled to Italy by boat, but unfortunately on the way the boat sank and the rhinoceros drowned. But then they stuffed it. It came ashore, they stuffed it, and it was given to the Pope anyway. And it caused a sensation because it was the first rhinoceros that had ever travelled to Europe. It's not quite realistic or lifelike. The rhinoceros has scales on his legs, armoured skin. So it's interesting to think about how much of the woodcut was done from knowledge and how much of it was done from Dürer's imagination.